Hey everybody. Today I'll show you a huge flaw in YouTube Mobile's site. Now obviously right now we're looking at YouTube's regular site on the computer. And this is on Mozilla Firefox on BikeGeekMTDX channel that I'm logged into. So anyways, let's go to my channel. And let's say I want to reply to a comment. The other day it was yesterday, I received an email notification of a new comment on one of my videos. Let's see if I can find that video. This is one of the older ones. Here it is, Maintenance and Upgrade Guide on the GMC and LA road bikes. I actually did reply to this comment, or supposedly I did. Apparently, maybe I didn't. But basically, I want to reply to this comment. Now, this here is a bug of its own. It does show my reply there. Okay. For some reason, this version of Firefox this installation of Firefox on the Mid-Tier Deluxe, when you go to reply to a comment, the cursor never pops up. But that's another thing on its own. But basically, here's what I'm going to talk about. Go up here to where you get your options. You can say Google Plus. It'll take you to the Google Plus page that I never use. Which, of course, you must have this to post comments. But let's go back to the smartphone. Anyways, now you're looking at YouTube Mobile. And I've tried this in both Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome. Supposedly I'm logged in. Double check for sure. And of course, one thing I can't stand is that by default YouTube will associate the account with either, your email or your actual full name of your Google account. So I have to hit BikeGeekMTDX, which is already signed into that. And notice, I was looking at a video. Every time I do this, it redirects me to the What to Watch page. So I have to manually go find that video again. Yeah, to be honest, YouTube Mobile sucks. Now watch this, it gets even better. Let's say I want to reply to that comment. Let's scroll down. Now for some reason or other, this only happens with BikeGeekMTDX and not Cube Computer Channel. Let's say I want to read more. Expand the comment. There. Let's say I want to reply. Now watch what it does. Oh, create a Google Plus profile. It thinks I don't have a Google Plus profile associated with my BikeGeekMTDX account. Now see, this is just another reason why I can't stand having Google Plus tied in with YouTube. There are other ways that the comment system could have been improved other than trying to force a social network nobody wants to use onto YouTube. I try to reply. It keeps redirecting me to create a Google Plus profile. This is a serious bug I can't stand. It's really getting on my nerves. Yesterday I tried to reply, and I had to do it through the Cube Computer Channel account because for some reason or other, things just don't work properly in the BikeGeekMTDX account. Let's go back to home and go into Google Chrome. And it's going to probably take us back to that same video. Yep, that's where I was just at. Now notice, I'm signed in the Cube Computer Channel on this account. Well, more or less in this browser. Scroll down, go to comments. No, there's that comment again. You can clearly see why I replied. Let's say I want to reply. See, it works in Q Computer Channel, but does not work in ByteGeek MTDX. That's just yet another Google Plus flaw. Now, why does this happen in ByteGeek MTDX and not Q Computer Channel? I mean, I can reply just fine, and on the browser, which I'll go ahead and copy this over to Chrome, seeing that doesn't want to work right in Firefox. So in Chrome, currently we're signed in as the Q Computer Channel account. I can click reply. I can reply under Q Computer Channel, and let's say switch account. Let's go to ByteGeek MTDX, which you have to choose the master Google account first and then choose the ByteGeek MTDX. More extra clicks than we really need to have. You see, I click reply. See, I can reply just fine from desktop. Now watch. Before I end this, let's go back to Firefox. And let's switch over to desktop mode. Yes, you can do that. Tap desktop and it crams the full-size desktop web page into your phone. I wouldn't recommend doing this when on your data plan, by the way, because YouTube automatically starts playing. As you can see, we're looking at the standard YouTube page right now. You hit this microscopic link up top. Hit Google Plus. Look, it says create a Google Plus profile. Be it on the desktop in Mozilla Firefox. I'll repeat the same action, Google Plus, and it takes you to the Google Plus page. Now, this is something else that YouTube needs to fix. I tell you, YouTube is just swarming with bugs. I mean, not only that, but their mobile site needs some serious work. I mean, it needs some serious work. So anyways, any questions or comments? Feel free to ask them. Thanks for watching.